الله أكبر. الله صلى الله 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 السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. أخي brother, astaghfirullah. Astaghfirullah. Do you think Allah needs your prayer? Do you think Allah needs your prayer? You have a time for alcoholic, you have a time for smoking, you have a time going to the nightclub, you have a time for your girlfriend, you have a time for your friends, you have a time for food, you have a time for going to the restaurant, but you don't have a time for Allah. You don't have a time for Allah. And even though the prayer is not for Allah, Allah doesn't need your prayer. You're doing it for yourself. Imagine you doing it for yourself. Huh? Is that how you're going to pray it? Really? Even if you're doing exercise in the gym, you wouldn't do it in this way. I'm 100% sure you would probably lifting like, doing a squat, slowly. But when you come to pray, just like you're going to get your back hurt. For real. Slowly, slowly. Allahu Akbar. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Slowly, slowly, you reciting every single verse. And you know what the verse mean. Realizing what the verse mean. Khushu'. Faith in your heart. Because right now, you in front of Allah. You're not in front of your friends. You're not in front of your wife. Right now, you're in front of Allah. Be more respectful. Allahu Akbar. You're in the meeting of Allah right now. May Allah forgive all of us. May Allah guide us.